Google updates are shaking up SEO rankings all the time. One day your blog is sitting on a page one, and the next it's completely buried. For content creators, bloggers, and SEO writers, that means endless writing, re optimizing, and chasing keywords just to stay visible. But here's the shift happening right now: AI powered blogging is changing the way we handle SEO content. This full SEO article you're looking at, structured, optimized visuals with infographics, proper headlines, was done in under 3 minutes, and I did not write a single word myself. I used autoblogging.ai to generate the whole thing, and let me show you how. After you log in, on your left panel there are different modes like quick, wizard, single, bulk generate. I'll go with wizard. This feature guides me step by step through every setting so I can customize the blog easily. Article title: for this one I'm typing the Google update that's shaking up rankings. Next, for the language, autoblogging supports 30 different languages. So whether you want to write in English, Spanish, French, or Hindi, you can reach global audience instantly. For SEO topics, I will keep it English. Next, for the length, since I want this blog to explain the update properly but still be digestible, I will choose medium. But here's how the length works: short is best for quick news updates or a bite sized blogs, and long is for great and in depth guides and heavy SEO content. Next. Now, this decides how the blog is structured. For this one, I'll pick informative because I'm explaining the updates step by step. But you can also choose listicle. It structures the blogs into numbered points like 5 tips or 10 mistakes. Places, this one is built for location based blogs when you're writing about a specific city. And service by landing pages is designed for businesses with sections for service, benefits, and call to action. Next, for the point of view, I'm going to keep second person so the blog speaks directly to the reader. But if you want to share personal experience, you can go with first person, or if you want a more formal and a neutral tone, then you can go with third person. For the writing style, I'm going with auto, which automatically adjusts based on the title and tone. But here's what others do: less AI words makes the writing sound more natural. Premium style 1 is optimized for SEO formatting. Snippet Optimizer, it helps the blog appear in Google featured snippets. Conversational is more friendly approach. Witty is it adds a casual and a playful vibe, and professional is more formal and polished. Next, here I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Intense Optimize article. Now it creates strong SEO structure with headings and keyword placement. FAQs will automatically bring in real search questions people are already searching on Google and answer them inside the article. AI images will generate images that match your content and place them with proper alt text. And infographics will add visual summaries like charts or statistics breakdown. Next, SERP analysis. Now, this one is the most powerful feature of autoblocking.ai. It scans the top ranking blogs on Google for your topic, studies their structure, the keywords, their headings, and builds your article based on what's proven to rank. So you don't have to do any guesswork here. You just have to enable this and quickly just leave a note here that how you want your article to be. And you can also select the country where you want to rank first. Over here also, I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Outline from competition. It uses the same structure as high-ranking blogs. External link adds link to trusted sites and sources. YouTube video will add a relevant video inside your blog. And add key takeaways. It adds a summary box at the end so readers get highlights quickly. Next, AI proofreading. Now, this checks grammar, readability, and consistency, so you don't have to edit anything manually. You just have to enable this and quickly leave a note here. Next, internal linking. Now, if you've already published other SEO blogs, just enable this and enter your domain here. Autoblogging will automatically link them together, boosting your SEO and keeping readers on your site for longer. Next, human proofreading. Now, if you want a real person to double check the tone, accuracy, or fact checks, you can just enable this and quickly leave a guideline here. But for this, you'll require a human proofreading credits, which you can get anytime from your dashboard. Now, hit on Generate Article, click on the History tab, scroll down and wait for the view like icon here. Click on that. Autoblogging.ai created the entire blog with SEO structure, proper headings and infographics, images, and even YouTube video added at the bottom of your blog with FAQs. But here's a quick tip for the next time if you want to be faster. Go to modes in quick and tap on single and just enter your article title here. With a fewer clicks you can generate your article. It is just as same as Wizard, and if you have 10, 50, or even 100 blogs, like 100 title, you can always use a bulk generate option, and you can auto post this to WordPress. Google updates might keep shaking up SEO ranking, but creating content about them doesn't have to take you hours. With autoblogging.ai, you can create full SEO ready blogs with visual structure, FAQs, infographics in under 3 minutes. And if you don't want to click through these steps, you can try a done for you blog service. Just give us the topic and we'll deliver the article to you. Now, if this was helpful, hit a like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which SEO trend or update you would like me to convert next.